Hey guys, here with an review. Part 2 of the series, and I'm listening to this song. I'm gonna play handball. Okay. I wanted a break. I got hit by a stick. First game on, guys. First game. Well, second game on. I didn't play 9-ball. Taking forever though. Yeah, you give me a bad setup again. Thank you. I freaking love this dude. Oh, those duels. Never mind, take that back. He gave me a pretty dope setup. I hate you sometimes too. What are you trying to do? Don't hit that. You hit it, of course. You poop. No, stop. You guys didn't hear that noise. I give him a... Oh, he can hit it. Oh, he can hit it. Oh no. Actually, he can't hit it. I know, actually. Ooh, does that mean he wins? No, it would have set by now. I hate going for the middle. And you're probably saying, Ethan, then why are you going for it? Because I'm stupid. No. Do that. Why'd I hit that so hard? That's stupid of me. Whatever. Level 6. Ranked student. Not too bad. Let's go to mine. Rank 10. Rank amateur. See my cues. Okay. Here's mine. Pretty nice. Oh, this person's gonna win. Whatever. We're running out of time. Come on. We're out of time. What? Watch the bull. Watch with my luck. I like this song. I can do this correctly. Yes, I kind of did it how I knew it. not trying to do that. God dang it. That's not a good lineup. This is an easy lineup though. Why am I doing this? Big shot it. Take it. You need some milk. Wins. Yeah. I was gonna go for a big shot. Wasn't worth it. Yeah. We're so close to leveling up now. Oh crap. Jesse. Freaking lit, dude. I hate you. What do you get to break? Didn't make any. Come on, black ball, go in. Wow. Sweet. I beat a level 35! Feel it. $21. Why is it gold? I wanna see your account, please, dude. Semi-pro? So, Oh, that's not good, please. Dude, what's going on? Freaking beastin'. I was 21 again, semi-pro. Please leave. Oh, wait. I wanted to try this. Oh, no, I'm gonna do my way. Good angle, guys. Good angle. See that? Look at that angle. Look at this angle. Perfect. Beautiful. Love it. If I don't make this, I might, like, freaking die. Why am I hitting so hard? Oh, wait. Because I'm a legend. No. Perfect. Ooh. Smooth. Like. This semi-pro doesn't have nothing against me. I messed up. I hate this. Q. 9-ball Q. That's a really good Q. I hate you. See. Yeah. I'm joking. You just break my time. Sugar. Go for it. Who says I should go for the big shot? I think I should. Not going for that big shot. I didn't even aim. Why did I do that? Probably just gonna run out of time again. Probably not even there. I was like, just gonna let this kid win. Oh crap. That's what I'm trying to say. Dude! No! This is too fun. I think this person won't. I didn't even hit that hard. What the? Oh, this is gonna be hard. Let's see. It's gonna be hard. Wait, that means it's their turn. If I didn't hit the right one. Dang, 10 minutes. I just hit that. Look at freaking balls. They ain't gonna make that in. It's too hard. Guys, I don't want to look at this time. It's 10 freaking. I'm too scared. No! No! Oh, I'm gonna lose. I don't want to lose. I won 2 games in a row. 3 games, I think. I got 3 games. No! Good game, peoples. Freaking luckies. So because of that one big shot, I could have probably made that, but it had screwed up. Go away. Just keep pointing. Come, dang, stupid game. Oh, it's silver, so that means they're professionals. Yay. I love when it says professionals. Still going for the dumb big shots that I'm not even gonna hit. Oh, I could have made that. I didn't even hear this music, probably not. There we go. It's probably louder than my voice now. Don't know what it is. Just changed it. Yeah.
Mr. Harris, we have a photo of you opening the safe.
It's not me. That's Kate. That's LeBron James. We got a picture of you opening up the safe. My twin brother. We got you. Can you picture with the safe? That's my twin brother. Turn it on. That was close, actually. That wasn't a bad shot. At 5, you know what we're gonna do. I know my friend James's house. Bang, 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 I see you when you're do. Kadoosh. I look Albert. I look at Sam. Fucking savage. Giggity, giggity, giggity. I make too much noise. I talk too much, I know. Just listen to the music starting now. This way too soft. Like, this is soft, but like, probably like brought it up right here. Oh crap! I actually really didn't mean to do that. But whatever. Still made it. That's all that matters. Guess what I'm going to do tonight? No, I bet no one can guess. Working out and then let's get some. Both miss. Might be working out tonight. Got a vein popping on my hand. Pretty lit. That's cool. You ain't winning by that, emu. Pretty sick name, bro. Try to win from it now. I made it in a ball? A ball? Douche. Good game, Emu. Good game. Because I just won. Dab on him. I beat a 31 player. This professional. No, it's gonna do an auto win. Please don't, please don't. Please don't. So guys, that was our last game. And first you guys just gotta see this level up if I can get it. No. But I guess I'll see you guys next game. Oh, wait, we gotta wait here. Oh yeah! I'll take it. This game's so close to leveling up, and I need to get my level up on cam. 53 and it's blue. Yeah, that scares the living crap out of me. I'm not even gonna read it. That's okay. It's fine. I'm gonna read it. I mean, I just did read it, but still. How the heck do you get all this? What pull are you? Well, that's not that good. For him, but not that good. But what's the best thing in the game? The galaxy cube. Everybody thinks it's the magic thing, but no. Might look the coolest, but not as cool as though. See, watch, I'm gonna go show you that dope galaxy cube. Hey. Get. I can't even see it. God dang it. That sucks. You scared. I hate myself right now. Why the heck is this? I really don't know why. Oh my freaking god. What the heck is... Dude! Trick shots for days. I think I'm pretty sure it's just... Dude! That's sick. Look. Okay, guys. This is gonna be leveling up one right here. If I win this, I get the level up. It's been 19 minutes. I gotta hurry this up. Come on, person. Just let me win. It's my leveling up time. Wrong thing. Sweet. 8 ball, you went in. I mean, purple ball, you went in. I love you. You're amazing. Come on, 1 ball. I'm just gonna freaking blast through this game like a boss. Got scared there for a second. times in a row. Dude! Wait. I just need one more game. Cause you guys just saw that? I don't care, bro. Come on, hit the ball. Hit it! Hurry! Thank you. You almost just scratch first try. Hurry, dude. Hurry. Just hit it. Who cares? Hit it, god dang it. Hit it. Woo, nice try. You're spinning blue ball. Yeah. Bank shots. Freaking trick shots. Hit that in, please. I just need like. I only need 67 XP left. I'm so good at math. Just freaking hit it, dude. Who cares? Actually, I kind of do because I need you to line it up good for me. Just hit it. Just blow to the mic. No. No, you need to hurry. If this ends, I swear to God. I hate there's 4 more left and they're gonna take forever, I bet. Come on, fair freaking Hanny. For Hanny. Yeah, they're lit. Making the time ball. I still get XP, I think. Come on, fair. Total winnings 438. Man, I got 13,000. Free dope. Come on, just hit this goddamn ball. Dude, trick shot. Dude, that was so close. Nice. Just gotta get ready to say good game. Good game. Okay, exit out of the game, please. Ooh. Kicking me out of the game. I leveled up. 35. You're joking. You're joking me. You're kidding me. I swear. Oh my gosh. I'm not getting mad. I'm just getting a little bit mad. And that's stupid. How you can't hit it. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I will make a second video. No, actually no, I can just finish this. Savage I am. If I win. I still hit it in. Trick shots. Freaking love trick shots. Dude. Thank you. That was pretty dope, actually. This thing doesn't know by now. I need like a few XP left. Just like a few. I'm making nope. Guys, I'm getting stressed out here. I just need this game to hurry up. I could win any second right now. Or I could just lose. I don't even care. Maybe I could win. Just maybe. I think I can win. Dude, that was so close actually. Ooh, nice try, dude. I'm gonna hit that purple ball. Got it. Not even hand and ball either. That's how good I am. I'm not really good. I just said that because I'm dope. He's not making the 9 ball. 8 ball. Oh, what you trying to do? You're lucky. I got 3 dude. You know me, I'm gonna go for the 9 ball. Like always. I made it. I hope he fails like right now. Like on this ball. Oh no, he didn't fail. God dang it. Hit it hard. Come on. Wait, I think I might level up this game. Nah, I'm gonna be so mad. Because you don't know how bad I need to level up. I need to level up right now. Right now. Right here, right now. I dropped my phone, god dang it. It's cool, Black Tip, you're dope. Shout out to Black Tip. Yes! Those. Okay, guys, well, that's all for this video. See you guys next time. Bye!